1 million years ago, the African savanna crackles under a storm sky. A bolt of lightning splits an ancient tree, and suddenly the night is alive with orange. A small group of upright creatures stops. They have never seen fire, their hearts pound. Should they run, or should they stay? They chose to stay. Something about the warmth, the light, the dancing glow pulled them closer. But here's the question that changed everything. How do you go from terrified of fire to cooking your dinner with it? That gap took hundreds of thousands of years to cross. In 2012, scientists excavating a cave in South Africa called Wonderwerk made an astonishing discovery: 1 million-year-old ash, tiny burned animal bones. This was proof, or the oldest proof ever found, that our ancient relatives, Homo erectus, were huddling around flames right inside that cave. They were already fire users. But here is the wild part. They did not make that fire. Not yet. They collected it. When lightning struck a tree, or lava crept from a volcano, they ran toward it with bundles of dry bark and carried glowing embers home like the most precious treasure in the world. Imagine being the person whose job was to keep the fire alive. If it went out, your family was cold, in darkness, and exposed to lions and hyenas prowling just beyond the light. Fire was not a tool yet. It was a heartbeat, one that could never, ever stop. But something extraordinary was happening around those flames. Meat left near the fire tasted different, richer, softer, easier to chew. Bodies that had spent millions of years tearing raw food apart began to change. Jaws grew smaller, faces flattened, and something crucial started growing larger: the brain. Then came the revolution. Around 400,000 years ago, early humans figured out how to create fire from nothing. Strike two rocks, a sharp flint and a chunk of iron pyrite, together hard and fast. A spark flies. Catch it in dried grass, blow gently, and fire lives. That discovery spread like, well, fire. From Africa to Europe to Asia, flames traveled with us wherever we went. Fire cooked our food, hardened spear tips, shaped the first pottery, and lit winters in cold northern lands where no human body could have survived alone. Fire made the world ours. Here's the twist. Scientists now believe cooking with fire is the actual reason human brains became so large. Raw food takes 8 hours of chewing every single day. Cooked food takes almost none. All that saved energy went straight to building a bigger brain. Fire did not just warm us, it made us. So next time you strike a match or watch a candle flame dancing in the dark, remember this. You are holding the most ancient human discovery, the one that changed our brains, fed our ancestors, and opened every door we have ever walked through. Take care of the wonder. See you in the next wonder.